Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to interpret and calculate probabilities involving two-way tables. Of course, there's a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, a group of students was surveyed about their favorite outdoor activity. Choosing between swimming and cycling. The students were categorized as male or female. Complete the two-way table. So to complete this two-way table, so we need to understand that this row here is for swimming. Now to work out the total for swimming, so we just add these two together, give me 20, right? Because 12 plus 8 is 20. So we write total. So this is the number of people that's swimming, the number of students that's swimming, if you like. And for cycling, so this row here is for cycling. So we can work out the total number of students who is cycling. So we add them up. So give me 17. Because it's 14 plus 3 is 17. So let me just write 17. And we know that this column here are males. So we add them up. So that gives us, so 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 males altogether, if you like. And this column here for females. So we just add them up. So that will give us 8 plus 14 is 22. So we can add them together. So that will give us the total number of students surveyed. Okay, so we can either add 20 plus 17, that is 37. Or we could add like this. This row here is 15. We add 22. Also give it 37. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, we'll get it wrong. Okay. So that is 37. So the column add together should give me the same as the row add together. Okay. Keep that in mind. So therefore, we can see that there are 37 students in a survey. So question is this. How many males prefer cycling? So for male only. Okay. Male and cycling. So that means male is this column here. And then we only want the male that are cycling. So this is here. Okay. Male cycling. So that is 3 students. So there you go. Question number 2. A survey was conducted among students to find their favorite fruit between orange and apple. The students were categorized by primary and secondary school levels. Complete the two-way table. So first of all, to complete this, so we know that to work out the total number of orange, this row here is for orange. Okay, keep that in mind. So we just go add primary and secondary. We add together, give me 25. So that means 25 orange. Okay, so keep that in mind. And we can work out the total for the column in secondary. So to add them up, so we go 10 plus 12, give me 22. And we can also find this primary for apple. Okay, so we go 15 plus a number will give us 25. So we just go 25 minus 15 give us 10. So this is 10. Now we can find out this one here. So we go 10 plus 12. So give us 22. So 22 plus 25 give me 47. So there you go. Otherwise, we can use 25 here plus this give me 47 also. So keep that in mind. Now, part B. How many primary students prefer apples? So primary students prefer apples. So primary, so this one here. So primary prefer apple. So that will give us 10. So 10 students. Part C. What is the probability at the random selected students prefer oranges? So prefer oranges. So that is how many in there? So that is 25 students prefer oranges. So we just go 25 because the probability, so we need to over the number of students, the total number of students, if you like. So over 47 because there are 47 students altogether. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So first of all, what we can do is we can complete this one here. So to work this out, so we know that 25 plus 30 and plus this number should give us 75. So we can just go 75 minus 25 and then we minus 30. So if you put on a calculator, so we go 75 minus 25 give us 50. And 50 minus 30 should give us 20. Okay, just put on a calculator otherwise. And we can find out this box here. Okay, by 25 we minus 15 because 15 and at this box here will give us 25. So we just go 25 minus 15. So it should give us 10. So let me just clear this first. So this should be 10. And of course, we can find out the total of senior students. Okay. So to work this out, we just go 10 plus 14. So will give us 24. We add 12. So that gives us 36. 36 here. Of course, you can just put on a calculator and you should get 36. And the next box is I can work out this box here, or you can work out this box, of course. So to work this out, we know that this box here, we add this to give us 30. So in another word, I use 30 minus 14. So 30 minus 15 is 15. We add 1, so give us 16 instead. So this is 16. And we can work out the total junior. Okay, so we just go 15 plus 16 will give us 31. We add another 8, so 39. So there you go. So if you think about it, this 39 plus 36 will give me 75. Or 25 plus 50 plus 20 also give us 75. Otherwise, we'll be wrong. Okay, keep that in mind. So that's it. So now we complete the table. Now the part B, how many students prefer to travel by car? So travel by car is this row here. Okay, this row is travel by car. So the total number of students is 30. So that is this box here. The total number of students prefer travel by car. So 30 students. So there you go. Part C. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that the student is a senior and rides a bike? So senior, okay, so we need to look at this column here. And then rides a bike. Rides a bike will be here. So that means 12 out of the total number of students, that is 75. So that is 12 out of 75. And then you can simplify this, of course, by just put on a calculator. So I just go 12 over 75. So 4 over 25. So there you go. Question number 4. So let me just go through this one with you first. A survey was conducted among 20 students to find out their preferred sport. The results are summarized below. So we know that there are 10 boys prefer soccer. So boys and soccer, so 10 of them. So we just write 10 here, okay? And 4 boys prefer basketball. So boys, basketball, so 4 of them. And there are 3 girls prefer soccer. So soccer and girls, so this is 3. And we know that there are 20 students in a survey. 20. Now we just need to complete the rest. So we can work out the total number of boys. So we just go 10 plus 4. So give us 14. So we just go 10 here. Add 4 will give us the total number of boys. Okay. Then I can work out the number of students who prefer soccer. So this one add up will give us the total number of students prefer soccer. So that means 10 plus 3 is 13. Now we can work out this box here. So to work out this box, we know that 13 plus this box will give us 20. So we just go 20 minus 13. So give me 7. So let me just write 7. And then we can work out this box here. So 4 plus a number give me 7. So 7 minus 4 will give me 3. Because 3 plus 4 is 7. Then we can work out this box. So you can either go 20 minus 14. Or we can just go 3 plus 3. Give me 6. So there you go. Part A. What is the total number of boys who participate in the survey? So we just need to work out the total number of boys. So therefore, 14 boys altogether. So there you go. Part B. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that the student prefers soccer? So prefers soccer. So all these students prefer soccer here. So 13. And we need to out of the total number of students. So that is 20. So 13 out of 20. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So first of all, we know that there are 12 boys. Choose art. So 12 boys here. Choose art. And we know that there are 8 boys. Choose music. So 8 of them here. Then we know that there are 15 girls. Choose art as well. So 15 girls in art. And 5 girls choose music. So girls, music. So that is here. 5. Now we can complete the table. So we can work out the total number of boy first or girl first. Doesn't matter. Or music or art. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So we just go 8 plus 12. Give me 20. So that means 20 boys altogether. Then we go 15 plus 5. Give me 20. So 20 here. We go 15 plus 5. That give me 20. Now we just need to work out the total number of students doing art or choose art if you like. 12 plus 15, it give me 27. And 8 plus 5, give me 13. And we add this up. 27 at 13, so that give me 40. Or you can go 20, we add 20. Give me 40. So keep that in mind. So 40. So there you go. Okay. So part A, which subject is the most popular among boys? So we just focus on the boys. Okay. So now for the boys, this is 12. So art is the most popular among boys. So at. Part B. A student is selected at random. What is the probability that the student will choose music? So the student choose music. So the number of students choose music will be 13. And the total number of students is 40. So we go 13 over 40. So 13 students over the total number of students. And you can't simplify it further because 13 over 40. So if you put on a calculator, it should give you the same answer. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that there are 15 students attended the meeting. So 15 students altogether, okay, who are attending the meeting. So 15. And one student who is a club member but did not attend. So club member is on this row here but did not attend the meeting. So one student here. And then we know that there are 5 students did not attend the meeting. So 5 students. So 5 students did not attend the meeting. And 10 students were club members. So club members, 10 of them. Okay. And then 10 students were not club members. So not club members, 10 of them. So there you go. So now we just need to complete the rest. So first of all, I can work out this box here by 5 minus 1 because 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 here. And we need to work out the rest of the box. So we can work out this box as well. So we work out a number plus 1 give me 10. So therefore 10 minus 1 is 9. And this box here, a number plus 4 give me 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And then we can work out the total number of students by 10 plus 10, give me 20 here. Otherwise, you can go 5 plus 15. So it should give me the same answer, that is 20. Okay, keep that in mind. Now part A. How many students were non-members who attended the meeting? So non-members and attended the meeting. So non-members will be this row here. And attended meeting, this is attended the meeting. So 6. So 6 students. So let me clear this. Part B. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that the student who attended the meeting was a club member? So club members and attended the meeting. So club members is this row here, and then attended the meeting, so which is this number here, so which is 9. So 9 out of 20 students altogether. So I write 9 over 20. So that is the probability. There you go, and hope you got it correct. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. So we know that there are 7 students, age 10 to 12, like comedy. So like comedy is age 10 to 12 is 7. And we know that 17 students like comedy. So 17 students altogether. Okay, so in here. 8 students 10 to 12 like actions movies. So 8, 10 to 12 and then action movies. So 8 of them. And 5 students age 13 to 15 like actions movie. So 5 age 13 to 15 like action movie. So 5. So there you go. So now we can complete this table. So we can work out the total number of students age 10 to 12. So we just go add 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So just write 15 here. And then we can work out the total number of students like action movie. So 8 plus 5, give me 13. And then we can work out the number of students that age between 13 to 15 and like comedy. So simply by 17 minus 7. So give me 10. And then 10 plus 5, give me 15. So 15 students age 13 to 15. So 15 here. And then we can add them up by 15 plus 15, give me 30. Or you can add 13 with 17, should give us 30 as well. Okay, keep that in mind. Now we can answer the questions. How many students age 10 to 12 prefer action movie? So 8, 10 to 12 and action. So 8 of them. So let me write this down. So 8. So there you go. Part B. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability the student like comedy movies? So student like comedy. So comedy is here. So altogether 17 students altogether. So we just go 17 over the total number of students, that is 30. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that there are 60 people altogether. So let me just fill this up. 60 is here, okay? And the next one is 18 people on pads and exercise regularly. So on pads, so on a pad and exercise regularly here, 18. And then 16 people on pads but did not exercise regularly. So on pads but did not exercise regularly, so 16. And we know that 10 people did not on pads but exercise regularly. So does not on pads, so this column here, and then exercise regularly, so which is 10. So there you go. So now I just complete the rest by just work out the total number of people who exercise regularly first, okay? So we go 18 plus 10, give me 28. There you go. And I can work out the total number of people on a pad. So which is 18 plus 16. So 18 plus 16, so that will give me 20, so 30, 34. So that is 34. And I can work out this box here by 60 minus 28. 60 minus 30, give me 30. So that becomes 32. Of course, you can just put on a calculator and should get the answer. And 16 plus a number will give me 32. So it should be 16. Just go 32 minus 16 and you should get 16. And we can work out this box. So by simply 10 plus 16. So that give me 26. So there you go. And the answer should be correct, right? So now we can just answer this question now. Part B. What is the probability that a person is selected at random, exercise regularly? So we just need to focus on the people who exercise regularly. So that is altogether is 28. So we just go 28 over 60. Of course, we can just simplify this by just put on a calculator, 28 over 60. Otherwise, 28 divided by 4, give me 7. And 60 divided by 4 is 15. So 7 over 15. Part C. what is the probability that a random selected person does not own a pet and does not exercise regularly? So no pet, so this one here, and not exercise regularly, so that should be here. So that is 16 out of 60. So that's exactly the same as 7 over 15. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we have students prefer sandwiches and salads. And we also have boys and girls. So we can put sandwiches and salad on the top row and boys and girls on column. Or you can do other way around, okay? It doesn't really matter. That's why we call two-way tables. So doesn't matter which one you put, okay? Let me just put sandwiches on the row and salad as well, okay? So sandwiches and salads. And this one here, boys, girls. Total. And this is total. Now we have 40 year 9 students altogether. So this should be 40. And we have 28 students prefer sandwiches. So 28 students altogether who prefer sandwiches. So 28. And we have 12 students prefer salads. So 12 students here. And we have 18 boys prefer sandwiches. So 18 boys here. And we have 10 girls prefer salad. So 10 girls here. So now we can fill up the box by finding this box first. Okay. So that will give me, so 18 plus a number give me 28. So we just go 28 minus 18, give me 10. And then we can fill up this box by 12 minus 10, give me 2. Because 2 plus 10 is 12. So now we can work out the number of boys by 18 plus 2, give me 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. So there you go. So you can see that 28 plus 12 give me 40 as well. So it's correct, right? Now, part B. Let me move this up a bit. What is the probability that the randomly selected students is a girl who prefer salads? So girls prefer salad will be this box here. So which is 10 over the total number of students, which is 40. So that means 1 over 4. Part C. What is the probability that a randomly selected student is a boy? So it's a boy. So how many boys are there? We have 20 boys. And then out of 40 students altogether. So 20 out of 40. And you simplify this, give me a half. So there you go. Please pause the video and do this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, let me just make it a bit bigger first. So first of all, we know that there are 100 students. So we have year 8, year 9. So we can put year 8, year 9 on the row, first row or first column. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let me just write on the row. So we know that total is 100 students. So we can write year 8 here. Or you can write year 8 here. Okay, doesn't matter. So we can just, now I just put that on the first row. Okay, so this is year 9. And then we have participated, not participated. Okay, so let me write this down. And this is not participated. And then we have total here. And this is total. So now we have 35 year 8 students participated in sport. So year 8 and 35 students participate. So that is here, year 8 and participate. And we have 15 year 8 students did not participate in the sport. Okay, so 15 years 8. So 15 year 8 students did not participate in sports. And now 30 year 9 students participates in sport. So 30 year 9 and participate. So there you go. So now we can just complete the rest by work out the year 8 student first. Okay, so we just go 35 at 15. So that give me 50. Then we can work out the total number of year 9 students. So 100 minus 50. So give me 50. So therefore, year 9 not participated will be 50 minus 30. So that give me 20. And we can work out the total number of participation in sports. So 35 plus 30 give me 65. And then not participated in sports, 15, we add 20. So 35. So there you go. So it's correct. Now we're going to answer this question here. Part B. What is the probability that a randomly selected students from year 8 and participated in sport? So year 8 participated in sport. So we just go year 8 participated is here. So that is, so 35 out of 100. So we can just put on a calculator 35 over 100. So it should give you 7 over 20. Otherwise, so 35 divided by 5 give me 7. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 20. So there you go. What is the probability a randomly selected student did not participate in sports? So did not participate in sport. So will be here. Not participated in sports. So that will give me 35 out of 100. So will give me 7 out of 20 as well. Part D. What is the probability that a random selected student is from year 9? So we just need to work out how many year 9 altogether. So that is 50 year 9 students. So we just go 50 out of 100. So that will give me a half. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got all of them correct. Bye.